Okay, so I'm basically going to show you what an anvil god is, since I had an event with it in my last recording. Anvil gods are not nice, and they're not a very, good way to kill mice in Survivor, considering they have the possibility of killing everyone. So I think that's pretty much a downside to them. Plus, it's not really fair to the mice anyways. It's called Survivor, but no one's gonna survive this thing unless you're in a lucky spot. So you keep adding anvils until it starts going nuts. Or you can flip off the map like that. But that's basically what an anvil god is. It's there to kill you. I'm pretty sure it's gonna kill me, or it killed me. So yeah, just watch out for those. Like, they'd probably have to be the worst thing about Survivor that's not actually meant. I don't think the game creators intended to make anvil gods. Who knows? I mean, if you put a box here and put an anvil in it, and then like a plank or something, and you can turn this into an anvil god basically, like you see it moving. Usually it's much worse, but yes.